Alright guys, and welcome. If this is your first time tuning in to this channel, my name is Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So we literally just got done touring this 2665 model, so you guys check it out in the playlist. Now we are here in the northwest of the Las Vegas Valley, just west of Providence, and the name of this community is called Pkwy. And the builder here is actually a D.R. Horton. One of their series is the Express model. This is a gated neighborhood. Over 350 homes being built here in this neighborhood. What I like about this builder, what you see is what you get. There's 3 different collections. You've got the single stories. They got 3 homes here. You have a mid-sized home. They got 3 homes that you can pick from. Then we have more of the larger one. Like I said, we already did that video tour, so we're going to focus on this one today. And one thing is, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, I encourage you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Stop what you're doing, hit that notification button too as well. Now we have 3 different elevations to pick from. Now here, this is the 1795 model. Okay, we're gonna go inside. We're gonna take a look together. Now I haven't seen this home, right? Well, I'm pretty aware of the model because they built this model kind of like everywhere, but I physically haven't seen it. So we're looking at this model together. Now this is not a bad floor plan for 1,700 square feet. Now let me give you some of the measurements here real quick. This 1,700 square feet here, or 1,795 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, right? 2-car garage, $447,990. Now let's see what we get here. We're gonna start off with this kitchen. Beautiful and nice countertops. I think I could live with this countertop. You know, it's not the best, but other builders, they give you some ugly ass countertops, and for me, I feel like they do that on purpose to sell you. So we have Whirlpool appliances. We have gray white shaker cabinets. We got the Sterling sink. And look at this, you have a purification system. Cool. Let's see if you get some soft closing cabinets. Ooh, these are some better slides. Some side glides. Now with soft closing cabinets, you can actually buy the mechanism too as well. 36 on the cabinets here. Okay, and that's all this is right here, right? This is your soft closing cabinet. I don't know if I should start having links in the description for my Amazon affiliated. Look at this backsplash. This is actually paper backsplash, but you do get that 6-inch there, it looks like. According to the salesperson, they have a sales deal going on that if you buy a home with them, I don't know how long it's going to last, you have an option, or I want to say option, they're giving a credit of like $10,000 using their lender, which is, I feel like it's steering, but it is what it is. Also, the rates are locking at like a 4.7 or something like that, she was saying. So it looks like we have some data communication here. So this is a Cat 6, we got 5 of that. What else here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cable. And this is your tube to somewhere. This is what you need to identify. Okay, so keep that in mind. Here's your 2-car garage, which is not going to open. They said their appliances will be included according to the sales agent, but obviously that could actually change. Also, they get like $10,000 if you use a lender, like I said. In addition to that, if you are a service member, firefighter, if you are a police officer, I believe if you're like a nurse too as well, doctor and all that stuff, you get like the $1,500. Well, I've never seen the eaves painted green like that. Interesting. Pretty decent sized lot. I believe this one's about 3,500 square feet. We have a 6-foot slide here. Vinyl. Okay. The caps that you see right here, that's for the sprinkler system, distribute sounds. You got your LED, traverse LED lights. Okay. Let's take a look here. What do we have here? The pantry. Oh, you also got an alarm system here. Panel, let's see here. Boom. ADT. Okay, so that's your new alarm system. Now this pantry is a pretty decent size. That last one that we just did on that 2665 model, man, that pantry was so small. Now, let's go get a different perspective for, you know, the dining area here. There we go. Now I notice the furniture is a little bit small, so that way it gives you the appearance everything is just big here. Alright, let's see what we have. We have a thermostat at the half bath. Not bad. I like that color there, kind of makes it pop a little bit. Now let's go upstairs. Wow, now these stairs are pretty, they're wide but they're steep. You got like a rental carpet, which is the only thing I don't like about this carpet is after a while, when you keep walking on this thing, it just tends to get flat and you can kind of see where most of your foot traffic is going to be. Now the only thing about this is that because it's only 1,700 square feet, it's not going to be as large, right? But let's start here in the primary. And I'm going to try to make my way around a little bit faster. Now the barn door here, right, is the future decor item. It's actually not included, so just keep that in mind. But about 95% of the things that you do see in here, minus the furniture and all the items, miscellaneous stuff, it's not included. Now I like the cabinet, it's nice and 36 inches high. Now one thing I realize, I'm standing here, you hear that vibration? These are things that you have to think about, the quality of the build, right? I can feel the air conditioning working. I can feel that copper line set is along the wall and it's like literally vibrating underneath my feet. And that tells me that probably that line set, the way that they ran it, is probably tied. It's somewhere along that wall, and it's running up, and it's vibrating, and it's hitting like the 2x6 or the subfloors, which is causing me to feel the vibration. So these are common things that people just don't think about, but I can literally feel it right now on my feet. It's like a vibrator underneath my feet. Okay, we won't use that. So I do like this one. You do have the jumper duct, or that could just be a transfer grill. But we're about to see. Thermostat, yeah. See, look, transfer grill is here. Okay, 2 12s. Gives you 24. Love the fact that we have our laundry room upstairs. You do have a drain pan. This feature is not included. However, like I said, with the sales, it may be included according to their summer sales deal. Now's the time to negotiate a deal if you are planning on purchasing a home. Also, I got a message from Messenger on Instagram, and somebody had asked me, "Hey Chuck, I'm currently under contract right now in my home. They are going to complete the home build in the next 2 months. I notice home prices have dropped. Can I negotiate? Am I binded to the contract?" The contract that you have is fully legally binded, so you're obligated to move forward with that price regardless. However, if you are a poker player, and I've seen it done before, and it can be done, if you go in with a straight poker face and say, hey, look, I noticed all these home pricing is drop. I noticed in the same community you guys are also dropping the price. I want you to drop the price, right? And if you don't drop the price, I'm not moving forward with the deal. So you're gonna have to play that poker face, and also depending on how much money you have into the deal. Like if it was only like 5 or 10 grand for me, all in, especially a home like this, and it drops another like $20,000, I'll walk away with it. Because here's the thing, it would cost them more money to put that property back on the market, especially with the demand being so low and such a high inventory. But they'll probably just end up dropping the price. But you better have a stone cold poker face. Now, with a custom home, that may be a little bit hard, just due to the fact that if we built a custom home from scratch, we're building a $4 million home, you've already got about $1 million into the deal. At that point, the builder doesn't care. They will just pluck the property back, right? Just due to the fact that they're still up. They would have to just sell the home for $3 million just to liquidate because they got their money back, okay? So it's a case-by-case basis, so there's really not one right answer, so I want you to understand that. Like the 2-panel doors, okay? We have our attic access here. Got the closet space. Oh, okay, we already came into this bedroom. I'm tripping. Now, one thing I would probably do is try to open this thing up here with some nice railings, so that way it just feels nice and open. HOAs here are about $85 a month. You do have SIDS and lids. According to the agent, the balance is about $6 grand. You can make payments of $200 every 6 months until it's paid off. Got some orange peel texture. So they only have like 6 homes right now available. Now, as you can see, you can already see where the foot traffic is on this. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video home tour. Let me know what your thoughts are. And again, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I ain't got nothing but love for you guys, I really do. Alright guys, oh, one more thing, check out our second channel, Chakits 2.0. We are about to hit, what, almost, I think 6,000? I mean 8,000? I don't even remember. No, almost 9,000, I'm sorry. So we need your help. If you guys just are a fan of the show, love real estate, love Las Vegas, love business, you guys are into like entrepreneurship, go ahead and subscribe to that channel. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. Be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.